welcome to The Real Dad Show. Thank you for joining me. On today's episode, we are going to be doing an unboxing. Now, since we've started this channel, we've been having to upgrade with new and better equipment, but I guess that's how you put it. I don't know. Maybe we'll edit this out later. We'll see. Anyway, through some generous sponsors, we've been able to upgrade some of the stuff that we use, and today we're going to see what we got. So far, this is a light box from Neewer Technologies. So, it came from Amazon, and it was next day delivery because it was over the $30, what is it, $35 limit? I don't know. So let's see what we got. Comes in this really nice case, package as well. And let's see, we've got one bag and two bags. So let's open these up first. Let's see what these are. Ideally, these are going to give us better lighting, so you'll be able to see us better. So this, okay, that is the box. Goes out that way. So, and here's the plug. And I'm just guessing this is another one just like that one. And it's supposed to come with two. Yeah, just like I thought. And when you open them up, they turn into like a box, like that. And then this is supposed to be a cover to give it an additional soft light effect if it's too bright. So let's see what else we've got. These are probably the tripods. So far, these look really good. Material looks nice. Doesn't look like it's put together cheaply. Oops. Now, you get the general idea. This goes down like that. And then you put the light box on the top. So, I'm not going to go and do all that right now. So, I'm guessing this is the other one just like it. So let's see what's in these. And these are the bulbs. We won't take the bulbs out because I don't want to break them. Okay, we're going to cut for a second. I'll put all this together and then we'll show you what the finished product looks like. Hang on a second. Okay, this is what it looks like put together. It seems to be constructed really well. The materials are good. That light bulb is humongous. The construction of the tripod seems really solid. It's got a toggle switch so you can turn it on and off. It's putting off good light. Sometimes you may think that this may be a little bit too bright, so it comes with this diffuser that just velcros on the top. Similar to that, and on the sides, and then of course on the bottom. And then that gives you a little bit softer light. So far, I like it. I think this is going to give us better lighting and we'll be able to put on some better videos for you. I know a lot of our videos have been kind of dark and sometimes I have to open the garage door or wherever we're at. And I've always been worried about lighting. So this is awesome. I really like it. It comes with two, exactly the same, for a really good price. I'll put on the links below. I'll put a link where you can find this on Amazon. It's from the company is called Neewer. Definitely, I would recommend this. If you are doing a YouTube channel like mine, put in the comments below and tell me. Let me know. Is this something like what you use? Are you using anything better for lighting? If you're planning on doing a YouTube channel, do you think this might be something that would help you out? Let me know. In the meantime, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time we post a new video. Don't forget, Neewer.com, or the company's Neewer on Amazon. And don't forget, anybody can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. Thank you, and God bless you.